Can you see these tiny dashes on my video? Can you also see the list of topics covered in this particular video? Now these are called timestamps or video chapters, and I'll show you how to add them to your YouTube videos. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Enewerume, Content Queen. If you are just stumbling on my channel for the first time, it is so nice to meet you. Welcome to the tribe. I hope you like my videos enough to subscribe to my channel and to share with your friends. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. Now the goal is to get to 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year, and we are making progress, so thank you so much. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to add timestamps or video chapters in your YouTube videos. Now timestamps are a way you can link your viewers to a specific moment or a specific time in your video, and I'll be using my most recent video for this tutorial, which you want to check out by clicking on the link above. So let's get started. Okay, so when you look at this video description, right, you can see video chapters with different time indicators and titles. These are called timestamps, right? So the next thing you would see is a grid of thumbnails, each with a specific time and title, and above it you'll see view all. Now this grid is a display of all the timestamps in this particular video, as you can see here. When you click on any of the timestamps on the grid, it automatically takes you to the particular time on that video. So to see all the timestamps, you need to click on view all, and then all the timestamps will be shown to you as seen here. The good thing about adding timestamps or video chapters to your videos is that it helps with audience retention, especially if your videos are really long or you have important topics that you covered and you don't want your audience to miss out on. If you are still watching this video and you like what you've seen so far, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to share this video with your friends who you know will need it, and also turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my new videos. So before adding timestamps to your videos, it is important that you know the rules. Now the first rule is your timestamp must start at 0:00. Like it must start at that, because that's the first one. Now if your video runs in minutes, if your video is in minutes, it will obviously be 00.00, right? Or not a point, actually a colon. And if your video runs in hours, it's going to be 00:00:00. So the first 0 stands for hours, the second 0 stands for minutes, and the third 0 stands for seconds. Now the second rule is your video must have at least 3 timestamps in ascending order, so from the smallest time to the biggest time. I'm going to show you here. Now you must also have a minimum space of 10 seconds between each timestamp. So if your first timestamp is 00:00, the next one should be at least 00:10 or 00:11. So if it's 00:09, it's not going to work out. Now if you have 00:00 and then you have 00:10, the next one following the 10 must be 00:20 or 30. That's just how it works. So let me show you what I have here, and then you see exactly what I've been saying. To add your timestamps, go to your YouTube studio or your YouTube channel page, head over to the description tab and type video chapter as the heading. Then the next one to type is 0:00 if your video runs in minutes, like this one runs in minutes. So I started with 0:00, and then if it runs in hours, it's going to be 00:00:00, and then you keep on adding each timestamp with the particular chapters. And when you are done, the next thing you do is to click save. Once you've clicked save, the next thing to do is to check out how this video looks like, what it looks like. So you head over to your YouTube channel, click on the video, and the next thing you see is your timestamp, which should look like this. So guys, this is it. This is how you create timestamps. I can't wait for you to try it out and let me know in the comments how it went for you. Also let me know which other type of tutorial video you want me to create for you. Until my next video, stay happy. Bye. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to my channel.